Today on episode number 22, Chaffles for Life series, today we're making an egg McMuffin chaffle. For this particular recipe, you'll need 3 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 egg, a fourth of a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of water, a half a teaspoon of melted butter, and a half a teaspoon of sweetener of your choice. And we're going to put a little bit of cooking spray on that mini dash. Get them going, and towards the end I cooked up a couple of fried eggs, and then I put them into the chaffle on top of my chaffles, and they came out really good. So basically the rest of the video is pretty much simple. I don't think we need to go into a follow-up, but just if you make this, it came out really, really good, and I enjoy these recipes that I've been putting up for you every day. Anyways, enjoy. Hope you have a great day, and again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and be watching for more videos that I've been putting up every day.